Good morning, guys. This is the Chalk Master from Malawi, Lilongwe to be precise. If you check on my YouTube channel right now, you will see an amazing video which is there. I urge you all to go and check it. This is about a very, very important site which is about 100 kilometers away from here. I had to drive 100 kilometers for me to get that footage. So please check it out there. Today I'm on my way to my farm. Yes, the past 2 days, I should say 3 days ago, we had a very, very heavy rainfall, and in actual fact it went, throughout the night. It's so very heavy rainfall. These are the first rains, and normally here in Malawi, these act as warning to farmers to say, this is what we have and this is what you need to do. So I'm on my way right now to my farm to check on a few things which I'm supposed to do. So once I get there, I'll keep you updated and appraised on how we go about, farming here in Malawi. I think I did a video previously on the land preparation and something like that, but now I'm on my way there. I know what I'm doing right now is not a good thing to film while driving. Yes, but also on the other hand, I just wanted you guys to see part of my. I'm actually passing by the. This is what we call Bingu National Stadium. This is our biggest stadium here in Malawi. Yes, and it's located in area 18. Yeah, this is area 18. As I've already talked to you in my previous videos to say, Lilongwe is divided up into areas. From area 1 to, I don't know up to where, but maybe 70, if not 80. Yes, so I'm driving along this area 18 dual carriageway road. It's a very good road, very nice one. And ahead of me there will be a roundabout there, as you can see. Yeah, as you can see, I'll connect into what we call Kaunda Road. Yeah, so let's be together on this drive, and then I'll show you guys. Yeah. That's why I don't like this road. I don't like this road. I don't like this road. I don't like this road for sure. Look, too much traffic jam here. Too much. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this, guys. I think I need to put my camera down because for sure I can't drive well. I need to put all my total attention this one. See you guys. Too much. This is too much, and I think it would take most of it in my time not driving here. Wow, there is no another way. There's no another way. You can see, guys, this road is always like this in the morning, in one direction, which I'm going. I think most of the people are coming from area 25, area 49, area 18, area 51. Those are the areas which are normally people, when they are going to town, into the main business center, they normally use this road. So that's why it's there. Also, you can see construction vehicles there, which means that there are construction sites where I'm coming from, and most of them tend to use this one because it acts as a bypass from the busy city area. Yep, yes. So it is the way it is. Let's get going to the farm and see what we can do. The rains are finally here. We need to farm now. Well, I'm still on the way. Actually, it's about 40-kilometer trip for me to get to my farm. So I'm doing it slowly and I'm going there. Jewish. Almost 30. Yes, after driving for about an hour, I'm almost where I'm supposed to be. Yes, I'm very close to my farm. Let me show you. What you see ahead of me is water on the road. Water. Which means there was a lot of rain here. There's a lot of rain fell, and you can see farmers are preparing their fields now. Yes, as they're applying manure. That is compost, locally made manure. And what you see ahead of me, that's an macadamia nut farm. You see there's lots of water on the road, lots of water, you see. So there was rain. I'm very close to my farm now. Very close. Yes, I normally head this way. When I get there, who will be there? I see, yes. There've been so much rain here. I can see by the roadside signs that there've been so much rain here. What you see on this side? This is another estate. You know, this part is normally occupied by estates, yes. Estates, and my farm is somewhere down there. I think I have to pass through this estate for me to get to my farm. Come along. You see, that's rainwater. Oh, that's rainwater. Yes, I'm passing through in the midst of an estate here. Yes, this is an estate belonging to a person who also lives in Lilongwe. This is Lilongwe, of course, but we are in the rural part of Lilongwe. I think you can see in the footage of my journey that I'm passing through some villages and something. Yes, I've traveled almost over 40 to 50 kilometers away from the city, and that's where I am now. I'll still be going down there, that side. That's where my farm is. It borders this estate. That's where my farm is. Yeah, we are finally here. This is my farm. It runs all the way from up there, and then up to down there where you cannot see. Yes, I'm waiting for my to come here. Yes. Hey guys. There's someone who is here. I need to talk to that one. Da? Anda? Amfumu.
Hello.
Abwera. Don't worry. I can do on Abwera.
Kangara ni munwate.
Ndiri buno gaini.
Bino naiba.
Moyo gayi kunyumba.
Wimbo.
Mojo galauza.
Basi.
Okay. Okay, fine.
Tuma.
Chabwino.
Munegaya.
All right. Yep. Actually, I was talking to him. Let me use this one now. I think I'm gonna start from down there. I was talking to someone. He's coming from up there. We were talking Chichewa. You know Chichewa. That's our local language. He was telling me that someone is here. Actually, I bought this land from the local village chief here, and then the local village chief wants to be my foreman, so I don't want that. So I would like to move around along the boundary and then see if we need to remove these things which are growing here, and then we need to make sure that we start reaching. We already did the land preparation, as you can see here, some time back, and I think most of them have decomposed quite well. And I am sure that if we can remove these things here, the undergrowth here, we'll be able to have a very good field. It's a very good field. The soil is very fertile. Yes, it's very fertile. The only challenge here is that most of the people here are poor, and they are peasant farmers, and for them to afford, farm implements here in Malawi, it's a challenge. It's a very big challenge. You can see here they have not yet even started, preparing for that land. Some of you may be wondering as to why the rain has fallen, and we seem not to be concerned about it. No, we normally know this is like a warning. The normally gives us the rain gives us a warning, and when this warning comes, the way how it has come, we are sure that we'll have rain this year. So we set to work. That's what we normally do. So I'm moving alongside the boundary of my farm. Alongside, this is the boundary, and then the other boundary is down somewhere where you see a pink house there. It's actually a church. Yes, it's a church. But this guy on this side, did approach me some time back to say I should buy his piece of land all the way going down there where you see the trees there. Going down, there is a road down there, and there is a river. There's someone else who is talking to me. Yes. Moyo gaino. Zikomo. Titero basi. Sure. Sindikudziwa pano pationa kuti tinzingati. Sure. Okay. You see that guy was talking to me that he wants to join in the ridging activity. So he was asking me if I'm here to do that. So I said yes, I'm here to start ridging. And he was asking me about the price per acre. How much am I paying? So I told him that I haven't yet thought about that. So I think I'll do it. We have a little problem with the people here. Normally they'll come into this field and dig holes like this, looking for mice. Mice? Some of you people may not know what mice are, but this is what they normally do. So yes, this is what they normally do. They'll come here, dig for mice. So it's not a very good thing as far as the farm is concerned. I'm still walking around. I think I need to pick up my pace. That's because if you can you see the car? No, you can see it. It's behind that mango tree there. Yes, and there are people who are passing there. Yes, these people actually the people who normally work for me come from this village. I think you can see houses there. There are houses there. So they come from that village. And it's called Kuchombo village. Kuchombo. I don't know the meaning of this. I don't know the meaning of this name. Oh, yes, I don't know the meaning. But that's the name, Kuchombo village. So I'm still moving and going down, trying to see what we can do. And then we have a problem also with livestock here. You can see these are goats. These are goats, yes. And normally when we prepare this land, we plant. Of course, the village chief will come in to say no more. The goats should be contained in crowds. But sometimes the people don't do that. They'll leave them to move around. So that's another challenge, a very big challenge as far as agriculture is concerned. Yep. So where I am now, you can see where the car is. The car is somewhere here. Yes, and I'm still going down to the very end of the farm. Sorry, I had to bring my finger close to the camera. But this is what we do in Africa. I'm waiting for the people to come. I have a boy who normally looks after my farm. So he's coming. He's going to speak to a few people who are going to actually they are going to come here, and then I'll tell them what to do. This undergrowth, so persistent on this field. You can see it's growing almost everywhere, and we need to remove this as well. So this, I don't know the name of this plant, but if you can see it, it seems that even the ghosts don't eat it. The ghosts don't eat this. So I don't know. The grass here has not even decomposed to the point where I wanted. But still, if we cover it, it will be okay for planting. Yeah, I'm sure about this. Yes, if we cover it, it will be okay for planting. And so I think I need to work on this and see on what everything that is happening. This area, normally the people normally are farmers. Yes, they are farmers, and depend on farming and normally subsistence farming. Yes, but the challenge I've already said that it's about the price of farm inputs, which is so challenging. So it's very difficult for them to actually afford them. They're so expensive. Yeah. We plant soya here. Soya beans. Yes. Main on soya beans. Yes, we intend to use this piece of land for soybean cultivation. So the farm runs all the way down there. It's a very big piece of land. If you can see where the car is, let me show you. It has to be somewhere here. Yeah, it has to be somewhere there. And you can see that this is the boundary where I'm walking here. But there is a full chance that I can increase the land volume. I mean my land volume. Yes, because there are a lot of people coming to me. They are offering me land, and I think I can do that. But still, I need to consider a few things before I come to make the final decision on whether I can add more land here. Also, the distance coming from where I stay up to here is quite long. Supervision is another challenge. You see, all this undergrowth here. I've been growing inside here, and then no one has been taking care of them because I'm not here. But we'll still see what can be done, what needs to be done. Yes, what needs to be done. Yeah, sure. Yeah, if you can look carefully up there, you'll see women. Mostly women are the ones who work here. Yes, women, they have got hoes and they are ready to start. I think this undergrowth has to be removed. It shall be removed, I think so. It shall be removed. There's a kid there who is crying for his mother. His mother would like to start working and is following them. Yep. Yeah, maybe there are some of us who used to trouble that we used to cry. I was one of them. My mother used to tell me that troubled her so much. And this time around, I make sure that I take care of her in a very, very good, special way. So look at that. More kids. Now all those ladies there, they are waiting for me. I'm going close to them. I think I'll not turn the camera to myself until I meet them, and I see the boy who works for me is waiting for me. Yeah, the food is not bad. Just need to work on it and see what we can do. Kwirani sombali naye. Ena udathandizani ka. Ndingofuna sample ukudali saone. In actual fact, I'm telling them that I just want them to see a sample of what I want. Yabuno zere ndufane ndumene. Abana kuna uri sagwanisa asabange ganyo. In actual fact, what I'm telling them is that that's what I want. And if they want someone who cannot manage that, then they have to leave it. Yeah. Oh. Ndao zansogale ndachita kuonjezera ndalama pa field yapo. Urena apangeso kachiwi. Then ndufuna mizere yotere. Ndeko amene akona kuti sagwanisa sindikunkakamiza. Ineso sindili pachangu. Etu. Yeah. Ufuna za smart iso kumapeto uko muzingogundanisa kujeti mukangati mukwirira mupanga boundary. Musasiye ka space ya. Mukangati mugundanisa mizere yako kupanga kanzere. Kazipiro. Yeah. Zimene ndufuna ndiziti. Mmene mukuoneka kuti mukudutsa madzi kuti madzi atha kulowa mundamo. Pamene muzipanga maki muzimuza. Kuna libwese zina tichinge mmenemo kuti madzi asadutse mmene. Limani mwa smart. Ngati simukwanitsa kulima. Eti. Onda bwantha yabwino kuti agwa mvula kwafewa. Okay. Okay. Amwe anthu akugwirizana nazo esi tena gawireni anthu zochita. Iniyo tengani mtengo mene muziwa. Osali mabwana ngati wabwera chakwera kuno kulibe chakwera. Nde amene agwirizana nazo tena kagwireni ndime tiyambepo. Koma sachidule iyayi. Apaso pena pakeso nabwerezesa answa apa. Pantunda. Yes, half sigwana. Kama kaka kangono kinaka. Imakaka kota ndithu. Ndikudziwa. Izo muonesesa kuti mwazikhapa ichi. Izo za green izo. Undi ntengo musakhape yayi. Mwachifatse mwabwinobwino. Right? Hayi kumabe chitani beni ndithu mwamphamvu suti mvula yodzalira itipeze tikhala banga bezo. Singatheka mpaka kufa Esa baba. Zamu bwino. Okay. Ndakumva limai. Yeah, actually. Okay. Actually, our conversation wasn't chichewa there. Just to sum it up, just trying to talk to them about what I want and what exactly is it that I want them to do. So I'm heading off to the other side and the other half of the farm. Yes, goes up there where the other ladies are. So they have seen what I want, and I hope and I believe that they will do what I want. Yes, that's what I want. They hope this place is my farm. In actual fact, here you see the ladies. They are, I can say, poor people. Yes, I'm not rich, but they're so challenged financially. They normally need people like me, to assist them. Then most of these people that we've seen, they have no food. As I'm talking to you, I'm not joking about this. They have no food. That sometimes it's quite disheartening to see what the government does. I don't want to go into politics, but it's so disheartening to see that these people like these can be helped in the best way that they can. You know. And let's not go into that. I'm not trying to be a politician here. I just want to see what I can do. Heading off to see my farm. Yes, I'm heading off to see my farm. I just want to make sure that things work in the best way that I want. Yes, I'm sure about that. Good. Guys, you can see I'm in the very, very edge of the farm. This is my side, and this is another side. So I need to plant things like this. This is called vetiver grass, and when it's fully grown, it looks like this. Looks like this. So this normally is bound to protect, runoff like this. You see, my side is being affected so much, and that there's a washaway. If you can see here, there is a washaway here. So this can actually affect the fertility of the soil. But if you can look at the side, when these things grow, I think they were fully grown, but they've been cut, to let them grow new shoots. Let them grow new shoots. So I need to do that. I will not remove these trees. I just prune them a little bit. Yes, I think so. Just prune them a little bit. Wow, I see people are farming there. Yes, that is not my part. My farm ends somewhere there. It ends somewhere there. So let's see what will actually happen. Let's see what will actually happen. You see, all this land is agricultural land. You can see that most of the people here are not ready to prepare their farms, because they've been hard hit by hunger here. Hunger. If you can hear the leaders I was talking to, some of them say it means they just want to buy a little food. That's what they want to do. So I'll help them to do my own ability where I can, and then the rest, we'll see what can happen. Yes. Work has started now. You see, these ladies now, they have started it. And more are still coming in. Yes, more are still coming in. People actually don't have food here. People don't have food, and like to dig into what is happening here. Yes, but I can't turn people away. I can't turn people away. I need to give each and every person a little bit of what the cake, a little bit piece of the cake. Yes, but frankly speaking, life is hard. Life is very hard. You can see somewhere there. I think you can see them somewhere there. I think this farm, in a week time, everything will be done, because the whole village is flocking this side. Yeah, people don't have food. So I would like to move around a little bit and see what they are doing, so that I can give advice on what needs to be done. Yes, I need to give advice on what needs to be done. I need to see what exactly is going on. Yes, that's what I need to see. That's what I need to see. Yes. I'm going on to the other age now. Hi guys, this is our first day here at the farm. Yes, and then I think it's enough. I've given my boy what he's supposed to do. Yes, and he knows what to do. This is I need to head back now. I'm going to another piece of land to try and arrange and see what we can do, because the rains have covered a very wide area, all the way from the southern part of Malawi up to here. So sorry. My phone was slipping from my hand. So from me, the Chocomaster, I say we'll keep on this agriculture journey and we'll get together. Thank you very much for being there. See you next time. Bye bye.